If you've lost access to your Wise account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your Wise account to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Wise. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. This typically involves clicking a link that will allow you to create a new password for your account. Step 5. Contact Wise support. If you are unable to reset your password or access your account through email, contact Wise customer support directly. Provide them with any necessary information to verify your identity and request assistance in regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Wise account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further help.